Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Zero Mean Ripping Filter. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Zero Mean Ripping Filter. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 339 indicators, and out of those 339 indicators, 137 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 137 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Also, to date, we have tested 16 strategies in total. I have not gotten the win rate of those yet, or which ones were winners versus losers, but we will get to that eventually here. So back to the indicator at hand. So the indicator here today is Ehlers Zero Mean Ripping Filter. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. This one was another Ehlers indicator by cheat country. You can see that it paints the bars or changes the candles colors along with the line here that also changes from red to green. Then we have the signal line here in black. Now, it was requested by one of the viewers that I do go in and change the bar color and turn that off when testing these indicators, and I agree with that. I kept them originally. I used to do that, but then I got kind of used to it and started leaving them on. But I can see how it is rather confusing to pay attention to what's happening with price action up here when the bars or candles are changed, colors change so drastically. Anyway, so what are we looking for down here? Well, the setup on this is going to be when the zero mean line goes from red to green and it is above the black signal line, that is going to be a signal to go long. When the zero mean line turns to red or goes to red and it is below the signal line, the black line, then that's going to be a signal to go short. And that's how we are going to give it a test. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get. So right here, we pick up a short. You can see that the zero mean. It's actually kind of hard to see this. I'm trying not to waste too much time here by fiddling around with this, but let's see if we can do this just to brighten things up a tad bit more. There we go. So you can see here that it turns to red there on that candle, and pretty quickly looks like it may have jumped up here and stopped us out. Nope, not quite. It is still within our stop. Look at that, and it does end up rolling over. Let's double check here. It was really close, went up to about 81 right here. A stop is 90. Then it eventually rolls over and tumbles its way down, making that a winning trade. Let's go ahead and continue on with it here. In this instance, we are looking for a long right here on that candle is when we get the long signal. We are above the signal. The mean, the zero mean goes green. Looks like we get a pullback here, and once again right at about 81 pips there. Let's see if we can get a replay of the last one. Looks like it. Double check this, see if we got to our 60 pips. We sure did. There we go. So it had a decent little pullback here, but then it was able to make that push we were looking for to the upside there. All right, so over here on this side, we get a short signal right there. Get a little bit of a pullback right here, but within our stop, and then it continues down the direction we're looking for. All right, so what I'm going to do here is cut some of the video out so that way things don't get too long, and I'll pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are actually to the end of the year here. Once again, I thought maybe we would get another signal here, but turns out that we didn't. So before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Sign up for it. It's really super cheap. And when you do, you get access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord. On the Patreon only channel, we're posting some really good advanced information, discussions about trading and trading strategies and so on. Our admins and some of the other members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis. And so they're posting charts with markup of support and resistance and take profit. Really, really good stuff, informative information there. If you are trying to dial in a trading strategy or train your eye to see those ideal market conditions that you should be looking for, or even if you want to just jump on some of those trades, see what you can do out of it. Again, really, really cool stuff happening there. And it's a really great positive environment to be involved with as well. All right, so back to the indicator here. Let me get everything in screen here. Double check we're good there. Yep, good there. Yep. All right, let's add these up, see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Out of all of Ehlers' indicators, I think this is one of the best ones that we've tested so far, even though it wasn't a massive win rate. I mean, it just kind of barely edged up over that 60%. But a lot of Ehlers' indicators seemed like, as a standalone indicator, they really didn't work that well. But this particular one seemed to be calling trades at some really decent spots, getting you in kind of preemptively into trades, kind of showing you an area where you should be jumping in, and then eventually price action followed along with that trade, which is some really decent way of trading, getting you in as early as possible rather than waiting until an extended amount of the trend has already taken place, and you missed out on, a significant amount of what would be profit. So all in all, a decent indicator, not bad at all. This one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.